Ok. C'est parti. Voilà, t'as un petit réglage de spi. Voilà, nickel. Ok, chargé. Donc là, je suis juste après le tuto. Je vais juste baisser un peu le son ici. Ok, j'ai aucune idée de ce que je dois branler là. Est-ce que j'ai un gun déjà? Ouais. J'arrive pas à entendre mon retour. Ah, c'est peut-être pour ça, voilà. Augmenter le son du mic. Le son du jeu. Ouais, il a pas l'air très élevé, mais bon. Je pense que ça le fait quand même. M10... J'ai pas de silencieux sur mon M19. C'est embêtant ça. Ah, fixer, retirer le silencieux. Voilà, nickel. Ok. Est-ce que je peux changer mon camo? Feuille plus 10. Visage. Forêt. Voilà. Ah, par contre, le Raiden, il a vraiment une gueule pas terrible. Oh, salut toi. Faut que je retire dessus ou non? Ok. Ok. Bon, jusqu'ici tout va bien. Difficile de faire pire. Putain, j'ai encore pas internet, mais putain. C'est pas chez moi là, c'est free, c'est pas possible. Ok. Qu'est pas ça? OMG, un cheval. Je vais monter un chevaux.
Looks like death wasn't ready for you yet.
Boss.
That arm still hurt?
What are you doing here?
Taper direct. Putain, mais Snake, s'il te plaît.
Go home. Go home. Gru and my sons are waiting up ahead. You don't have a prayer of finishing your mission. You're not even armed.
Boss!
Oh, le mec il est ride. Il est full ride. Il a fait une shop.
I'm not your
Back
boss
shop.
anymore.
Okizem.
There's nothing for you here. Go home. Go back to your boss.
Ah, ça, c'est du fusil, hein.
There's no need to prove that you are virtuous here. This isn't America.
Ah, la réelle. Même Snake regarde et en mode qu'est-ce que tu branles, meuf?
That should stir things up a bit. You'd better hurry. The border is 60 miles south of here. You ought to be able to run that far.
Why'd you defect?
I didn't. I'm loyal to the end, to my purpose. What about you,
Est-ce
Jack?
qu'elle joue double jeu?
What's it going to be? Loyalty to your country or loyalty to me? Your country or your old mentor? The mission or your beliefs? Your duty to your unit or your personal feelings? You don't know the truth yet. But sooner or later you'll have to choose. I don't expect you to forgive me. But you can't defeat me either. You know me too well. Just look at that bandana. If you can't put the past behind you, you won't survive long.
Ah
If we meet
ouais,
again, I'll kill you.
tout ça.
Now, go home.
J'ai comme une envie de pas faire ça. Allez, 30 secondes de jeu pour une demi-heure de
Major
dialogue.
Zero.
I read you, Snake.
I was ambushed by the boss.
You were what?
The drone's been shot to hell. It's up in flames.
That's not good. Enemy scouts are going to come looking for you.
Yeah, I know. But what was the boss doing here in the first place? There's got to be a leak somewhere.
No, that's impossible. The man the boss is working with, Volgin, isn't exactly on speaking terms with Khrushchev.
I lost my gun. The boss destroyed it.
Snake, I know how you're feeling. It's hard for me to believe, too, that a legendary hero like the boss would go over to the Russians. That she'd double-cross us like this. But that's how it is, and if you don't accept it, you'll never be able to beat her.
That's not the problem. In terms of sheer technique, I'll never be able to beat her. I know that all too well.
You've got to do it, Snake. She's your enemy and your objective.
Enemy? We were together for 10 years, and now you tell me she's my enemy?
Enough. Hurry to the factory where Adam is waiting. Scouts have probably already been sent out to investigate the explosion. You've lost your weapon, right? That means you've got no chance of winning in a battle situation. Whatever you do, don't let them see you.
Ok, je vais ramper par le sol. Je vais lécher le sol. Ah ouais, merde, ils sont déjà là, putain.
I think I saw something.
Non, t'as rien vu, frère.
Something wrong? Huh. Guess I'm seeing things. Let's see.
Est-ce que si je me bouge, il me voit là?
I think I saw something.
Ah ouais, merde.
Who was that?
Est-ce que je peux te tabasser? Merde. Non, non, non. Bon, ça fera l'affaire. Je vais essayer de cacher le corps, mais je sais pas si c'est vraiment utile. Pire, prends leur flingue, mec. C'est vrai qu'elle m'a cassé la main. Il faut que je me soigne. Ah oui, non, je me suis fait blesser par balle. Désinfectant, septique, attel, ça sert à rien. Pansement et point de suture. Attends, et là du coup, pourquoi je suis pas... Ah, balle logée, ah oui. Il faut que je retire la balle. Comment on fait ça? On gant... Ah oui. Retirer des balles. Ok. Attends, il est coriace, hein. Le poteau est coriace. C'est quoi là-dedans? Y'a rien. Je peux entendre des gens courir, mais je sais pas si je fasse. Non, c'est bon. Par là. Semblerait bien. Dolinovodno. Attends, mais c'est le même endroit que la dernière fois. Je peux pas lancer un caillou pour faire une diversion? Est-ce qu'il va venir me faire chier lui? Ok. Est-ce que je peux le buter sans ironie? Genre là. On va pas se mentir. Moi je suis un agent. Je me dis bon... Ok. Je peux pas le balancer là? Non. Merde. Bon, tant pis. Tant pis, tant pis. Merde. Toujours mon couteau. Hop là, le petit champi. Dans la poche. Oh putain. Ouah, il a de la force dans le pied lui. Hein. Meurs, 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 meurs. Voilà. Putain, faut encore que je me soigne. Désinfectant, septique, pansement. Ah, mais ça sert à rien en fait. Ok. Est-ce que je peux utiliser une ration? C'est quoi ça? Ah oui. Pile de réveil. Je suis pour fumer mon cigare. Ah, mais voilà, c'est bien ça. J'ai quoi, t'as pas le sonar? La boussole? Ah oui, là, je suis au même endroit que tout à l'heure. Ce qui est un peu con, mais tant pis. Ah, il y a du bug là. Ah oui, ils sont nombreux. Oh, le radar détecte plein de trucs. Est-ce que là, je peux... Il semblerait que non. Je peux monter là. Merde. Ah, partie, arrête. Ok, ok. Allons voir là où il y avait Sokolov. Ah, détecteur de mine. Ah, il y a de la batterie. Non, mais c'est quoi ces conneries? Il est où mon détecteur de mine? Je comprends pas. Ok, j'ai pas de lampe torche. Le thermique, ça c'est cool. Ah oui, d'accord. Jusqu'à 8 armes et 8 objets. Toutes les armes et les objets ont un poids. Ok. Donc je pense que je peux enlever détecteur de mouvement au sonar. On va garder le sonar et le détecteur de mouvement. Ça peut être pas mal aussi. La boussole, je pense que dans les médias, ça sert pas à grand chose. Le thermique, on va garder. Cigare, je pense que je vais enlever. Hein. Je sais pas à quoi ça sert. Et les armes pour l'instant. Ah, ça, c'est pas un truc à bouffer, d'accord. Voici ça te... Un aliment équilibré. Attends, on va essayer, hein. Ah oui, non, c'est vraiment un objet à lancer. Ok. Lunette de vision thermique. Stylé, putain. Qu'est-ce qui se passe?
Sorry I'm late.
C'est qui ça?
Cut the engine. They'll hear us.
Are you the agent they sent?
Are you Adam? I thought you were supposed to be a man.
Adam couldn't make it.
All right, say the password. Who are the Patriots? Who are the Patriots? Answer me.
Oh là là, mais Snake, qu'est-ce qu'il me baiser de tous les côtés.
Get down!
C'est pas un très bon agent pour l'instant, Snake.
There is your answer.
Qui c'est ça? J'ai pas confiance en elle déjà. C'est Eve, c'est pas Adam. D'accord, c'est
The name's Eva.
Eva, ouais. Tiens donc. Et tu te mets à poil parce que... Lève les yeux, Snake, lève les yeux, je t'en supplie. Je t'en supplie, Snake, lève les yeux. Le mec est complètement cramé. Je regarde les nibards.
This wasn't part of the plan. What happened to Adam?
What's your code name?
It's Snake.
Snake, huh?
Eh oui, le
Well, I'm
serpent,
Eva.
Adam, Eve.
Are you here to tempt me?
Oh putain, je vais me faire un café après cette cinématique.
What happened to Adam?
Colonel Volgan is a very suspicious man. He decided Adam wasn't the right person for this mission.
And
Ah,
you
putain,
were.
mais c'est quoi cette réelle
Yes.
de gros soifard là?
Because I can do things he can't.
I heard you used to be a code breaker for the NSA.
I was. 4 years ago, I defected to the Soviet Union with Adam.
Mauser military.
Ah, Mauser, ça c'est
The
allemand ça.
broom handle.
It packs quite a punch. Nice to have when you're on a bike.
You held it sideways and used the muzzle jump to create a horizontal sweep. That was impressive.
Bet you've never seen that technique in the West.
It's imitation, isn't it?
Yeah. It's a Chinese Type 17 pistol. Around here, even that's hard to come by. Don't worry, though. The one I've got for you is American-made.
.45, huh? Incredible.
Do you like it?
The feeding ramp is polished to a mirror sheen. The slide's been reinforced, and the interlock with the frame is tightened for added precision. The sight system is original too. The thumb safety is extended to make it easier on the finger. A long type trigger with non-slip grooves. A ring hammer. The base of the trigger guard's been filed down for a higher grip. And not only that, Nearly every part of this gun has been expertly crafted and customized.
Ah, il kiffe là, hein. Hein, tu kiffes, mon chacal.
Where'd you get something like this?
I grabbed it from a Western munitions armory. It probably used to belong to one of your officers, and there are more where that came from. You had this with you, didn't you?
Ah ouais, elle m'a réparé mon pistolet. C'est gentil.
Better take this too.
What's that?
A disguise to make you look like a scientist.
A disguise?
Yes. You're here to rescue Sokolov, right?
Sokolov's still safe then.
Yes. He's being forced to continue his work on the Shagohod.
Where?
At the lab. They've got a whole army of scientists there developing new weapons. Security is tight, but if you disguise yourself as a scientist, you might be able to sneak in.
Can we get Sokolov out of there?
We'll see, won't we?
Tell me how to get to the lab.
The safest way in is from the rear. First, you'll need to head north through the jungle. You'll come to a heliport used for shipping materials. Pass the heliport and continue north, and there will be a large crevice. Descend into that area, and you'll reach a cave. Move through the cave, and you will arrive at a mangrove swamp. After the swamp, there'll be a warehouse. Make your way through the warehouse, and you'll come out just south of the lab.
Got it.
And just what are you doing there?
In close-range combat, a knife can sometimes be more useful than a gun. By doing this, I'll be able to hold a knife at the same time and still keep the gun steady. That way, I can instantly switch between a gun battle and a knife fight. Right, let's get going.
Wait a minute.
What now?
You must be tired. Why don't you take a little rest?
I'll be fine.
You'll never make it in your condition. It's a jungle out there. There's still an hour before dawn. It's dangerous to be out in the jungle at night without a guide.
What about you?
I have to get back. I can't be gone for too long. They'll start to suspect something. Don't worry. I'll keep you updated over the radio.
That's it?
My orders are to provide you with information. Nothing more. You look disappointed.
Putain, tu peux te rhabiller, je t'en supplie.
I'll do something special for you. I'll stand watch until dawn. Now be a good boy and lie down. What's the matter?
I don't know you well enough to trust you.
How well do you have to know me to trust me?
I don't know if I can trust anybody.
Gonna get that?
She's right, Snake. You should get some sleep. Although in your condition, you really ought to be back in the ICU. Whenever you save the game and quit, you'll go to sleep. Sleeping allows you to gain back stamina naturally. Depending on how long you sleep, you may also recover naturally from sickness and injury. When you're tired or hurt, the best thing to do is just get some sleep. So do yourself a favor and take a nap. Doctor's orders, okay?
Yeah, okay.
Ok. Save. Qu'est-ce qu'elle fait? Oula. Ah, c'est une radio, ça. Passer un message. Mais quel genre de message et à qui est-il destiné? Tant de mystères. Mais putain, mais c'est sérieux, mais arrêtez quoi, merde. C'est un jeu vidéo, pas un film de cul.
What's the matter?
We're surrounded. I see 4 of them.
Je vais tous les buter, je crois.
We've got company. It's the Ocelot unit. Let's get out of here. Hurry. Don't forget your gear. Here, give me a hand. We can use this to get to the basement. Damn it, Ocelot. I'll get past them on my bike. I'll call you later.
Okay, I'll keep them busy. Huh?
Don't go dying on me now.
Deux secondes, café là. Je suis die. Kawa, t'as vu? Eh ouais. Ça va me mettre un petit coup d'énergie, j'espère. Alors. Je peux pas aller là-dessous là? Attends, sac à dos. Oh, en vrai, moi j'ai envie de partir sur du kill, hein. What the fuck? La question c'est par où je vais en fait. Par où je vais? Oh oh. Vous êtes par où moi? Putain, mais le framerate il me gave, hein, franchement. Le jeu est trop mal opti, c'est pas possible. Mettre le jeu en moyen, hein. Il est où le mec? Putain, ça me saoule, le jeu il drop tout le temps. En plein écran pour voir, hein. Ok, faut que j'aille où? donc pas par là. Il m'a dit qu'il fallait que j'allais où? J'ai complètement oublié. J'ai pas écouté. Je suis trop fatigué. J'ai rien compris. Ouais, mais en fait, il fallait que je les endorme tous, mais j'ai complètement raté. J'ai buté tout le monde.
I've been waiting for this moment.
Dans le doute, je tue. Hein.
That's it. That's the stance. I don't think so. What? A female spy? This bitch is wearing perfume.
Bah, le droit, non? C'est pas interdit? Je crois bien.
Stay where you are. I've had enough of your judo.
I see you've got yourself a single-action army.
That's right. There'll be no accidents this time.
You call that an accident? Well, it wouldn't have happened if you hadn't been showing off.
What did you say?
It's a nice gun, I'll give you that. But the engraving gives you no tactical advantage whatsoever. Unless you were planning to auction it off as a collector's item. And you're forgetting one more very basic thing. You don't have what it takes to kill me.
We'll
Ah
see.
ouais, c'est couilles. What? Ah oui, tout ça.
Six shots. That thing only carries 6 shots. The Makarov carries 8. You have to get a feel for how many you have left. This is a high-class weapon. It's not meant for shooting people.
Damn! This isn't over yet.
Don't!
Why?
He's still young.
You'll regret stopping me. Damn it! I've got to get back before he does.
Logique. Ah, il faut que je nage là, son mec. C'est quelque chose de buter les serpents ou... Ouais. C'est une ration? C'est comment ça se passe? Oula. Il meurt pas le poteau. Génial. Je suis tellement fatigué. C'est horrible.
Snake, are you there?
Eva,
Did you miss me?
did you make it without any trouble?
No one saw me.
So you're back with Vulcan.
In a matter of speaking.
What about the boss?
Yeah, she's here too.
Better be careful.
Thanks, I will. The boss and I get along pretty well, though. I guess we traitors have a lot in common.
Why would anyone want to defect? Betraying your country like that, I just don't get it.
Are you talking about the boss?
Why do you do it? Weren't you born and raised in America?
Yes, in a small rural town. I never even knew there were other countries, other cultures, until I went to work for the NSA. And one day, I'd found I'd lost faith in the things I'd been taking for granted.
What did you see? What was it that made you want to...
You wouldn't believe me if I...
Try me.
I saw...
The universe.
Not the actual universe. The universe as the intelligence. I realized that the gravity in this universe, people and countries are both changed by their environment. And
That sounds like what the boss was saying.
there's a world of difference between this country and America. But it's only a difference of position, a difference of perspective. Coming here made me realize something. Half of what I'd been told was a complete and utter lie. The other half was a conveniently constructed lie.
Where's the truth then?
It's hidden in the lies.
Are you lying too?
Who knows? I've been trained to make even the most severe false.
No. I believe that's part of my mission.
I'll have to remember that. If you need me, give me a call on the radio.
Ah merde alors, c'est quoi que je dois utiliser? c'est le cigare. What the fuck. Je vais m'endormir là. Putain, j'ai cru qu'elle était activée. Merde. Faut pas faire ça vraiment. Oh merde, mais qui c'est qui m'a vu? Ah merde, c'est un dog.
HQ, respond.
This is HQ.
Patrol here. Enemy sighted. Requesting backup.
Acknowledged. Sending reinforcements.
Ouais, faut que je fasse une pause, là je suis en train de m'effondrer sur place.
Saving the games? Okay.
Thanks.
Do you want... Chin up.
Oh là là, pourquoi je suis fatigué comme ça?